So then PM Kisan Samman, I think I broadly have given figure, 10,000 has become reduced. I wish honorable members who have raised that question, I'm glad they've raised it and have given me an opportunity to answer, but members who have raised that, I wish they had had a look at actually what is the figure. Sir, benefits worth, first of all, benefits worth 1.15 lakh crores have been transferred into the bank accounts of 10.75 crore farmer families under this scheme since its inception. Let's be clear, 1.15 lakh crores directly into the accounts of the farmers. Cash in the hands of people. Cash in the hands of the people is what is 1.15 lakh crores to the hands of the farmers. Now, BE 2019-20 and BE 2020-21, the allocation of 75,000 crores each year was made under the scheme. In RE 2020-21, the allocation has been rationalized to 65,000 crores, which is what is being pointed out to us, saying 10,000 crores you cut down. Not at all. A similar allocation is also provided in 21-22. But I will tell you why the rationalization has had to happen. Sir, one of the main reasons for rationalization to happen is in the allocation of PM Kisan scheme, and that is approximately 69 lakh estimated farmers from West Bengal have not received any benefits under the scheme. So we had taken them on board, but when the provision cannot be utilized because their list was not even given to us, obviously in the RE the number will be different and the provisioning that we'll have to make for the next year will also be dependent on it. We took the entire country. We wanted every state's farmers to receive. But if there is one state which refuses to give their list and therefore the amount remains and therefore the amount which has to be given to them in the BE next, given to all the farmers in the BE next, will be reflective of that number which is not coming on board. So 10,000 is not going anywhere else, sir. It is because one state has not given us the list.